Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isingoma Triumph and I've come to talk about citation basics. So I'll first take you through my outline. As you all see, I have the definition where I'll talk about the citation basics, the intake citation versus reference lists, then why we cite and common styles, which are APA and AMLA. So first of all, we shall talk about the definition of citation basics, whereby these are the fundamental rules and practices for giving credit to the original sources of information, ideas, or data you use in your work. And then we shall talk about the intake citation versus the reference lists, where we see intake citations. These ones show the source of information immediately, and they also help to avoid plagiarism. So then with the reference lists, also known as bibliography, they provide full details for readers to locate the source, also show credibility and thorough research. So when I try to join these two, and I look at the main points, like helps to avoid plagiarism in such a way that in case you go and cite some authors, maybe authors' work, and then it will also need some reference lists where you have got the work from, that is the author's book, and then the intake citations. So it helps to avoid plagiarism in such a way you have gotten it in a right way, and maybe you have reference for someone who is going to read your work, so that he or she can know where the information has been gotten from. So we can also talk about why we cite: to give credit to authors because of that information, like they acknowledge the original creators' ideas or words. To avoid plagiarism, use someone's work without citation is considered cheating. So, but proper citation protects the citation. Proper citation protects you from academic misconduct. So we also do it to support the work of the author, to help readers locate sources. In case you have read something and you have cited and referenced, it will help someone locate the sources of the work. They also help to demonstrate such skills. So like a person, now as we are doing information literacy, someone cannot fail to go to Google and maybe type in Google Scholar and maybe cite and reference and maybe or else do a coursework. So we shall talk about slide number 6, which talks about the common styles, which we have APA and MLA, whereby APA is American Physiological Association. This one is used in social sciences like physiology, education, and sociology. So intake citation include author and the year, and then we have the reference list at the end with full details, then italicized book and journal titles. Then we have the MLA, which is the Modern Language Association. It is used in humanities like literature, languages, and arts, whereby intake citations include author and the page number. This one works cited list at the end with full details, italicized book and journal titles. So those are the common styles which I tried to look at. So this is what I suppose I got for you guys today. So maybe you can follow, like, comment, and subscribe for more details or more topics I will be bringing. I remain Isingoma Triumph. Thank you very much.